pasta with anchovies and olives. This Italian dish is so simple, you need only few ingredients like minced parsley, 1 clove of garlic crushed, green olives in brine, cut each into 2, and the primary ingredient, the anchovy fillets. Begin heating the water for pasta. The pasta I will use is Bavettine number 11 and the cooking time is 5 minutes. Heat also the skillet. Put the garlic in the skillet and saute it for 1 minute and remove it later. Then add the anchovy fillets, followed by the green olives. Mix them together and add the minced parsley. Turn off the heat and wait for the pasta to be cooked. When water begins to boil, immerse the pasta. Strain the pasta when it is done. Now that the pasta is done, pour it in the skillet and mix it with the ingredients. Turn on the fire in low heat. Sprinkle a little minced parsley and a little bread crumbs. I like this pasta dish. I love the taste of anchovy fillets and the green olives. Thanks for watching.